This visualization uses data from FAFO and the Haitian Institute of Childhood. Access to clean, fresh water is of main concern in Haiti. This dashboard looks at Haitian households' access to clean water. The pie chart here shows that about 65% of the respondents lack access to clean water. Unimproved water sources, such as water brought by the gallon, surface water, such as river, lake, pond, or stream, open wells and tanker trucks, do not provide households with clean water. Improved water sources, such as piped water from public tap, piped water into dwelling, covered well or borehole, and rainwater do provide households with clean water. Only 34% of household respondents have clean water through one of these improved water sources. Water brought by the gallon and surface water, two of the unimproved water sources, are the most common water sources among the Haitian households surveyed. Feel free to further explore the dashboard. Selecting a given resource in this filter on the left side of the dashboard updates the number of respondents' response to the access to clean water, respondents' department, and the source of water graphs.